Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for exquisite garden inspiration and expert guidance. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever dreamed of a bountiful vegetable garden, but thought you didn't have the space, or if you're tired of battling weeds and pests, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of vegetable garden planters. These aren't just practical, they're a stylish way to bring fresh produce right to your doorstep. So, what exactly are vegetable garden planters? Simply put, they are containers, boxes, or beds designed specifically for growing vegetables. Unlike a traditional in-ground garden, planters elevate your plants, giving you more control over the soil, drainage, and even the layout of your garden. They can be made from a wide range of materials and come in every shape and size imaginable, making them a fantastic solution for any space. Whether you have a sprawling backyard, a small patio, or even a tiny balcony. The benefits of using vegetable garden planters are immense and truly transformative. First and foremost, they provide superior control over soil quality. You can fill your planters with high-quality, nutrient-rich soil that is perfectly tailored to the needs of your vegetables, without worrying about the composition of the native soil in your yard. This leads to healthier, more productive plants. Planters also significantly reduce the issue of weeds, as they create a barrier between your crops and unwanted growth. This means less time spent pulling weeds and more time enjoying your harvest. Additionally, raised beds and elevated planters are a lifesaver for your back and knees, as they eliminate the need for extensive bending and kneeling. They also help with pest control, as the elevated height makes it more difficult for ground-dwelling pests to reach your plants. And let's not forget their aesthetic appeal. Planters can turn a simple patch of dirt into a stunning, organized, and beautiful part of your landscape. Decorating your vegetable garden planters is all about blending functionality with style. Start by choosing materials that complement your home's exterior and existing decor. A rustic wooden planter works beautifully with a farmhouse-style home, while sleek metal or composite planters are perfect for a modern aesthetic. Add a pop of color by painting your planters or simply staining the wood to enhance its natural beauty. Think about the layout. Create a sense of symmetry with a series of identical planters, or arrange them in varying heights to add visual interest. Incorporate decorative elements like trellises or arbors for climbing plants, which not only provide support, but also add a sculptural element to your garden. You can also mix in some ornamental plants or flowers that are beneficial to your vegetables, such as marigolds to deter pests, adding both beauty and purpose to your design. Finally, don't be afraid to add personal touches like stepping stones, garden gnomes, or unique lighting to truly make the space your own. Now let's talk about materials. Choosing the right one is crucial for both the longevity of your planters and the health of your plants. Here are some of the best materials for vegetable garden planters. First, wood. This is a classic choice for its natural look and affordability. Cedar and redwood are popular because they are naturally rot-resistant. Just be sure to use untreated wood to avoid chemicals leaching into the soil. Second, metal. Steel, especially corrugated or Corten steel, offers a sleek, modern, and durable option. It heats up quickly in the sun, which can be great for some plants but may be too much for others, so consider the climate. Third, stone or brick. These materials create a timeless, sturdy, and elegant look. They are very long-lasting but can be more labor-intensive to build and are not easily moved. Fourth, composite or recycled plastic. This is a fantastic eco-friendly and low-maintenance option. They are durable, won't rot, and can be made to look like wood or other materials. Fifth, concrete. For a more contemporary and robust design, concrete is an excellent choice. It's incredibly durable and offers a strong minimalist aesthetic. Sixth, fabric grow bags. While not a traditional planter, these breathable containers are excellent for small spaces. They promote healthy root growth and are easy to move. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's explore our top 10 best vegetable garden planter ideas to inspire your next project. 1. The classic raised bed grid. This simple yet effective layout features 3 rectangular raised beds in a tidy backyard setting. The green trim on the wooden beds adds a touch of color and ties the design together with the green benches and vertical trellises. The grid arrangement makes it easy to manage different crops, from leafy greens to sprawling broccoli, showcasing a clean and organized approach to gardening. 2. The classic wooden raised beds. This timeless design features sturdy wooden raised beds arranged on a bed of gravel. The gravel provides excellent drainage and keeps the area neat and tidy. The varying sizes of the beds allow for a diverse range of plants, from compact cabbage to tall corn, demonstrating the versatility and classic appeal of simple wooden construction. 3. The rustic slanted planter boxes. This design perfectly utilizes a narrow space alongside a fence. The series of individual, slanted wooden planters not only look charming, but also provide excellent access to each garden bed. The vertical supports double as a built-in trellis system for climbing plants like beans or cucumbers, and the use of hanging baskets on the fence adds another layer of growing space. It's a brilliant example of how to maximize a small, sunny area. 4. The stand-up garden planter. This elevated planter is a game-changer for anyone with mobility issues or a desire to garden while standing. The waist-high design makes gardening accessible and comfortable, reducing strain on your back and knees. The stylish dark wood finish gives it a sleek look, making it a great addition to any patio or deck. 5. The hydroponic tower garden. For the most advanced and efficient gardeners, these vertical hydroponic towers are a sight to behold. This method uses water and nutrients instead of soil, allowing for rapid and impressive growth. The circular arrangement maximizes sunlight exposure and space, making it perfect for a greenhouse or a controlled indoor environment. This truly is the future of urban farming. 6. The modern multi-level trough planters. For a striking contemporary look, these long gray trough planters are a perfect fit. Their varying heights create a dynamic, multi-level landscape that can serve as a decorative barrier or a stunning focal point. This is an excellent option for front yards or patios where a sleek, architectural statement is desired. They offer a clean aesthetic while providing ample room for a mix of herbs, vegetables, and ornamental plants. 7. The vertical wall planter. Short on horizontal space? Go vertical. This impressive setup uses a wall to create multiple rows of tiered planters. It's an incredibly efficient way to grow a variety of crops, especially leafy greens and lettuces, by taking advantage of every square inch. This design is ideal for urban dwellers, balconies, or anyone looking to create a high-impact, space-saving garden. 8. The all-in-one planter bench. Combining form and function, this ingenious design integrates a planter box with a built-in bench. The continuous wooden structure creates a seamless, cohesive look, offering a practical seating area while maximizing growing space. This is a perfect solution for a patio or small backyard, allowing you to relax and enjoy your garden all at once. 9. The vertical fabric planter wall. Another creative vertical solution. This design uses black fabric planters attached to a wooden fence. The pockets are perfect for growing smaller plants and herbs, creating a living wall that is both functional and visually stunning. This look is modern and textured, providing an artistic backdrop that also makes a great sound buffer, especially when combined with the water feature. 10. The weathered steel raised beds. These rustic Corten steel planters add a sophisticated, industrial touch to a natural landscape. The weathered patina of the steel beautifully complements the lush greenery and the surrounding stone and brick pathways. This design shows how planters can be a central feature of a larger garden plan, blending seamlessly with the natural environment to create a cohesive and stylish outdoor space. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways to transform your garden with planters. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced green thumb, there's a planter design that's perfect for your space and your style. Remember, gardening is not just about growing food, it's about creating a beautiful and peaceful sanctuary. If you found these ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which planter design was your favorite. We love hearing from you. And if you want to see more creative garden decor and design ideas, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!